Hi guys, today our topic is the Deco transfer sheet ideas. You are watching on the screen beautiful butterflies design. You are watching butterfly and the tie shape design on the screen. You are watching beautiful nest and bird design of the Deco transfer sheet. Beautiful flowers and geometrical designs, beautiful golden color. You are watching another flower uh, design. You are watching another design of different flowers. You are watching another sunflower design of deco transfer sheet. You are watching another invitation card design of deco transfer sheet. You are watching another happy birthday card butterfly shape. You are watching another blue color heart shape card. You are watching all is bright card. You are watching another design of the deco transfer sheet. You are watching different mirror and furniture ideas of deco transfer sheets. You are watching the bull and different uh, designs. You are watching the flower designs. You are watching the plant and cook design the deco transfer sheet. You are watching sparrows and flowers design of the deco transfer sheet. You are watching the and different other designs for of the deco transfer sheet. You are watching the trolley, TV trolley and furniture deco transfer sheet. Decorate, you can decorate different designs and fairy birds and heart shape and different design. You can you are can transfer deco transfer sheet. You can decorate your furniture and your cupboard. Decorate with the flowers and multiple design with heart, love shape. You can design the invitation card different color and design. You can invitation card oval shape. You can design. You can watch different designs on the screen. Flowers, leaves and others designs. You are watching the invitation card design of the deco transfer sheet. You are watching the different species of butterflies. You are watching another butterfly